at Walgreens. Today is the day. Getting passports today. Go right there. So guys, we're here at Walgreens. Now, getting our pictures for our passports and kind of by the candy and the gun area. So alright guys, look at all these candies. They look so good. Oh, right now I'm in the chocolate area. Got some peanut butter ones. No chocolate, peanut. There were some new ones that I really liked. Oh, look, those mint ones. Yeah, but obviously they're dark chocolate. There's like these ones that like coconut. This one's almond. This is white chocolate peanut, caramel. Ooh, coffee nut. There wasn't that one. So look at all these different kind of candies. There's Ghirardelli. Yum. You guys don't know I love got some trolleys, mini crawlers. This little bag. Got some more trolley gummy bites. More like sour and tropical flavors. Yeah, so guys, we'll see you later. So we're about to makeup, and I don't really use makeup, but I just like to look at some makeup because most of the makeup is very interesting to look at. Sometimes they have like cool color makeup, and which is cool. So I'm gonna show you guys like everything over here and here. So like the powder to go on your face, or like some foundation. This is foundation. All right here, just from here to here is foundation. This is bronze. This is bronzer. I think these are all bronzers. If I'm getting it wrong, guys, please tell me. Alright, that's concealer. Now, here's some more stuff. A lot of these are like 50% off. Oh, like here's some mascara. Some of them like have color. So these have color right here. That is blue. Is red. This one's purple, and regular's black. So, I mean, yeah. Then, more eyeshadow, lipstick. Eyeshadow. I love eyeshadow. Like, ooh, look at this one. Berry Eye Sunny's Main Squeeze Ice Pop. Whoa. Coral Punch. This is cool. I actually like that one right there. So there's some more eyeshadow. So I'm getting into lipstick. Some more lipstick and some more eyeshadow, but with glitter. Some more. There's eyeliner. There is this lash curler right here. Lash curler. Some more stuff. More lipstick. Don't know what that is. Some more foundation, I think, or like lighter foundations. Some more eyeshadow. Oh, beauty brushes. These are cool beauty brushes. But sometimes they're very expensive because most of them are. Like Elf is very expensive. This one's cool. I just like to look at beauty blenders because like, they come in different sizes. some more elf. Some more lipstick. Oh, look at them. Oh, they don't have much to makeup bags, but look at this one. This one looks so cute. That one looks cute. Like, this is exactly what it is. That's cute. Oh, some more Squishmallows. I love Squishmallows. These are so big and cute. I have one this size, but not like this kind of one. It's like from, oh, I love these. I'll tell you.